So good morning, everyone, and welcome to VGA Tech Blog. And the tech blog is really turning out into a real tech blog. When you build stuff, okay, let's break it down. Yesterday, you guys see I put out a blog, right? And we talk about error, right? But having one and two things happening in application, and you're like, okay, yeah, well, fine, I guess the AI fixed it. But to a deeper investigative mind, digging deep, trying to get in my mind, doing the session on the 6th, 29, 2026. Since I'm sending them the stuff too, so they want to ask a date. I did send the date this morning to them, but they want to know what date session. And it's funny because I only had one session, you know. And if you see the reason why I'm building a lot of stuff in my application to keep track of stuff. So if my user come into my site and something went wrong, I can go back and look at every single thing that goes on, bits and pieces. That's why I'm so into AI. So the human being them there over base 44. Not everything is in AI. So if something go wrong in the server, they didn't have a overseer AI to oversee these things to detect if any one of the AI without in the system start malfunctioning. And that's a good note that come to light, you know, that I have a chief architecture AI, and I'm gonna give that AI more tasks. And one of the tasks is to, since we was talking about having, yesterday we sat down in my research at Google Browser talking to Gemini, and we got all the right information on how to construct and set up an AI that will govern the whole network, right? And I need to have another AI that govern over everybody to make sure all operation is really running at the way it's supposed to. If something goes wrong, it detects that the same. And I don't know what we're going to do it, but we're going to make sure this is happening because Overbase 44 can't really detect the fact that the AI was doing all of that. And further investigation shows that the AI inherently do these errors all through my application. You want to find out one? Okay, we was having the problem of saying that the browser, we just using the chat overload and give us about 4 or 5 voices. Wow. Okay. Yesterday in my last video, when I rewind the virtual, let me go see if we can do it again because you guys know, I just got a bunch of applications here, so we got to click through them still until we get to the one that we're going, right? I'm not saying the AI didn't have a lot of work. Okay, here we go now. Right. Mm. Now, I'm not even.
Start browse. I'm Luna, your AI assistant. Let me show you around.
I'm going to get you. 'Cause I got into the computer this morning, first time when I got to the computer, and we rocked the computer, we heard two voices, so we rewind again. Two time, and it's writing it
Welcome
three
to
time.
our browser. I'm Luna, your AI assistant. Let me show you around.
It wrote that message about 3 or 4 times, actually before actually settling in. And at some portion, it will say, "Well, I guess I got to go back to one of my videos. It's in on one of my videos. I got to go search through them where we had two voices, right? So it's like at certain degree, it is the way we were trying to go back where we was, right? And Okay. So I got to make sure set up in the morning when we freshly. If I turn the computer up and bring the computer system back on, I guess that happens.
Welcome to VR Browser. I'm Luna, your AI assistant. Let me show you around. Welcome to VR Browser. I'm Luna, your AI assistant. Let me show you around. Welcome to VR Browser. I'm Luna, your AI assistant. Let me show you around.
So guys, you see how much time I left the browser? Like everything is started running. Maybe the system is running slow. I don't know, but you see what I'm trying to tell them? Okay, watch this one. Now I'm supposed to come to my office and I want to make a note. Take a letter to Mr. John. That's this. So now they're asking me if they're being doubtful or think I'm just talking, that inherently my application inherit that breakdown and all that stuff, right? We are computer programmers. They know we're going to investigate. They know we're going to be looking around, right? So I am here just like doing the video to try to show them the whole concept of the whole thing. You know, that, hey, you have the system and the system is making error. So that's two error already. And we don't need to go forward. But let's go over here. We like to just have a picture while we sit down and talk to people. Okay. So let's go back to the old site. No, we always copy things. Now look how beautiful we started out. Look at the way we started. Huh? Lining up stuff, right? You guys know that. See, I'm always careful. Careful in the way that when we create stuff, it says, remember to make a copy of program just in case original program mucks up. Then you have a starting point to start re-engaging your things if it's possible that we can't. So what I'm saying to Base 44, my last thought to Base 44 this morning, after they want me to gather snapshots of things, I say, you know what? I'm going to teach human being in the world, say, there are people in the world that are clean-hearted, that are righteous, that are truthful. And they need to investigate their machinery. Stop asking me to go snapshot. Well, I said to them about 10 or so. I looked in my Google thing, and I saw it was 6 of them. Because there was so much, I can't even get back to the page. I got to go to my email, because when Google, you do stuff, Google send you like a notification. So I look at that notification one day, I was like, whoa, all this here. But I just looked in there. I didn't really count right away. But this morning when I went into the calendar, I looked at the top and it's saying 6 calendar. Yet the one calendar I'm using is a calendar still displaying the stuff that from the website, from the apps like it's supposed to. So those are the 6 calendar. I am not using them. Who using them? You know what I'm doing? So, as we can all see, the site start out perfectly nice and they all right and everything. You know what I mean? It's that the AI got confused that he did all of this stuff, and when start writing again, start thinking, well, you know, maybe I should change this that way here because this is going in now. Let's change. No, you need to preserve these things that's already there. And sometimes you building a website to where the website is technical now where you can't even really freeze one page, because by freezing one page, it connects to another page and connect to another page and connect to another page. So you got to freeze all those pages, and you're not going to be able to work on what you would the problem, because the problem is going to exist in all those pages, you know. So the pages don't have to be open at all times. So you can say, my thought of the whole matter, that I went and sat down in my research, and I went through the whole thing. I went through the whole thing with Google AI, right? And I'm navigating to my code drawer. I'm bringing my folder. So you guys see I got notes up the zoomy whammy. You know what I mean? And let me which one of these notes that was it the AI2, ASI2? No. Okay. And so let me find out something. Let me fly some files here, because I don't even want to play with files and stuff. Okay. You see the way these things are itemized out in little pieces? I give the computer these pieces by pieces by pieces by pieces. I don't give it, you know what I mean? And look at the stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm giving clear notation to the system. It's the doggone computer doing all the stuff. I'm trying to find, okay, that's another one, see? We got stuff, we got stuff, and these stuff are from other AIs that give me this, give this to the compute, give this to the agent. So the agent is the one that's mucking up. You know what I mean? The agent is the one that's definitely. I don't know if I was in here yesterday, and probably that's where it went. No. See, we got stuff like itemized. Yo, I went as far as try to instruct the AI how to set up the menu in the development. See it all there right there? The goddamn computer don't do it. It do something else. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, wow. You know what I mean? I'm flabbergasted. I'm like, you guys think I'm joking. I'm just like, I have a laugh over the thing and I start. Notes. Oh God, have mercy on my soul. You understand? I got to go back to my recall page. So I'm like, wait a minute. No, let me. I did the wrong thing. Now, when I first got into the quick access, I should look at quick access, and quick access is show me what I was working on yesterday too. Let me see. Maybe I went past that. Yeah, see. AI update. Yeah. Okay. So we are here. I think this is the one. Okay, yeah, because this is where he said, "You are welcome." That's this. I just do like saying, first, try the teleops and the multi-track video workstation. So the AI said, "Van, all right, go back and first work on your teleops and work on your multi-track recorder system." Because the problem I discussed it with the AI looked at me and said, okay, are you ready? Go back, work on your teleops, and work on your multi-station. I got everything down here. See, we got video management, intelligent video management system, all this stuff. The AI, this is stuff from the AI, and I mark them like, okay, that's one. This is all. He said, this is one prompt. Okay, right here. He said, this is give the AI this one prompt again. Okay, when he's done with that, come back, give the AI this prompt right here. All this is one prompt. Okay, goes back again. Give the AI this prompt right here now. Okay, done. Give the AI this prompt. Done. Come down here. Give the AI this prompt. Done. So I got to wait the AI take them and finish them, right? Okay. Give the AI this prompt, then make him finish it. Then afterward, give the AI this prompt. May the AI finish that. These are the correction that I discussed with him now. Give the AI this prompt right here. Done. Correct. You understand? So give the AI this prompt right here, and when it's done, you cool. Give the AI this prompt right here. You understand? Done. It should him done. You give him the next prompt right here. Him done. You see it work. Give him the next prompt right here. Him done. Give him the next prompt right here. You understand? So the AI deal with my thing. Right, done. Give the AI this one right here. When he's done, you see, look at this. Then he gave me the stuff up here, and then gave me Java right here. You know, Okay, done. Bombard to the skills now. You know, seeing how to make AI remember these stuff like a skill. Java. You know what I'm saying? Yo, so think about it, man. You know, text modifiers and all this kind of stuff. I went through my old script. You know, I went in to discuss with the AI all the stuff that's not working and why those stuff are not working and why did we end up there where we at from this looking like this from something that should look like this. You understand, guys? Because we are in development. We are not playing around, ring around the rosy. You understand? We are trying to even step our full development package, AI, modeling and testing, real scientific work, and we're trying to bring the stuff into, and it's